morning, all of you. Today we will continue with the reference to context of the poem Solitude. Reference to context, second part, second question, part B. Why does the poet say that the aisles of pain are narrow? Why does the poet say that the aisles of pain means the lanes, the road of pain, they are narrow? Okay, right now. The poet says, the poet, P-O-E-T, says that the aisles of pain, put aisles of pain in single quotes, A-I-S-L-E-S, A-I-S-L-E-S, aisles of pain, A-I-S-L-E-S, aisles of pain, put in single quotes, are narrow, N-A-R-R-O-W, N-A-R-R-O-W, narrow, because we are alone, because we are alone, A-L-O-N-E, alone, in this aisle, because we are alone in this aisle, A-I-S-L-E, A-I-S-L-E, in this aisle, full stop. There are, T-H-E-R-E, there are not many people, there are not many people here, H-E-R-E, there are not many people here, H-E-R-E, to accompany, A-C-C-O-M-P-A-N-Y, A-C-C-O-M-P-A-N-Y, accompany, to accompany us, to accompany us through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through our, O-U-R, through our, O-U-R, period of, through our period, P-E-R-I-O-D, period of, through our period of grief, G-R-I-E-F, G-R-I-E-F, grief, comma, as everybody has as everybody has their, T-H-E-I-R, has their own grief, as everybody has their, T-H-E-I-R, their own grief, G-R-I-E-F, to deal with, own grief, to deal, D-E-A-L, own grief, to deal with, full stop. Okay, I will repeat the answer again. The poet says that the aisles of pain are narrow because we are alone in this aisle, full stop. There are not many people here to accompany us through our period of grief, comma, as everybody has their own grief to deal with, full stop. Okay, now the last one here. Explain the meaning of the above lines in your words, in your own words. Explain the meaning of the above lines in your own words. You can leave space for the question and continue with the answer. In the above lines, in the above lines, comma, the poet says that one cannot, the poet says that one, O-N-E, that one cannot avoid, one cannot avoid, A-V-O-I-D, A-V-O-I-D, avoid his, put a slash, oblique sign, his or
Ma'am, can you repeat from in the above lines?
comma, the poet says that one cannot, that one, O-N-E, one cannot avoid his slash her, slash, put a slash mark, oblique mark, what you called as a forward slash, his or her problems, his slash her problems forever, his slash her problems forever, forever is a single word, forever, comma, and seek, S-E-E-K, and seek happiness, and seek happiness through others, and seek happiness through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through others, full stop. Everyone must face, everyone must face, F-A-C-E, must face their own problems, their, T-H-E-I-R, their own problems, and surface, S-U-R-F-A-C-E, and surface gloriously, G-L-O-R-I-O-U-S-L-Y, glorious, G-L-O-R-I-O-U-S, glorious, put in, add L-Y to it, gloriously, Gloriously, full stop. I will repeat the answer again. In the above lines, the poet says that one cannot avoid his slash her problems forever, comma, and seek happiness through others, full stop. Everyone must face their own problems and surface gloriously, full stop. Have all of you written?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this completes our poem.